Also, how do I sound? You're quiet? Test, Mauricio, I bought a new mixer. And, it has, sound effects. How about now? Oh, God. Test. Volume is still too low. Is it actually? Or are you guys just messing with me? How about now? Is this better? It's loud for me. Oh god. Oh. Yum, 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 yum. Nar. 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 No. 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 So yeah. Anyways. Oh my god, this voice sounds so it just doesn't sound like me. Anyways, so Mauricio set up this new mixer. And we're just waiting for I can't. I have to turn it off. I can't listen to myself. I can't. Okay. All right. Oh god. So yeah, anyways, I got a new mixer and Mauricio helped set it up. So thanks, Mauricio.